Hi friends of Websmith Group, we are back again for an update on the Hack-A-Thon. This is our Spidey Wall. As you can see, this was done by an artist freehand, which is really cool. What we are going to do is go back to the Hack-A-Thon and check with one of our developers and see how it's going. We're going to start with Mark. Hey Mark.
Hey.
You're on Periscope.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wanted to check and see how it's going. Tell us what you're doing. Tell us what your favorite part is. Anything you want us to know?
Pretty good. As always, you get stuck and you kind of try to move past it. Right now, I'm just working on getting some sort of response back. So it's still stuck somewhere, but we'll find it.
Cool. Anything you want to ask the people that have joined us?
Not that I can think of. No.
Cool. Well, tell us what you're building.
Right now, I'm building an Android app that is connecting to an API that we're making in-house, and that will pretty much print out. It'll connect to a lot of different APIs that we have out there: Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, anything else we can think of.
Cool. And folks, they're going to have this done by the end of the day, which is pretty impressive.
Yep.
So we'll be talking to each developer throughout the day to see how it's going. They're just getting started. I'm going to introduce the group. This is Mark that you just met. Hi, Mark. This is Jason. Hi, Jason. Jason is building the web part of the application. So tell us, Jason, a little bit about what you're doing.
Right now I'm trying to create a net inside, connect to a server, and basically put up all the news that we needed. And also we gonna have the Twitter feed and Instagram picture for the site as well.
Cool. Anything you want to ask the people watching?
Not that I think of.
Okay. We'll be checking back in with Mark and Jason. Moving along. Next we're going to go talk to Nate. Nate is another software developer. Nate, tell us what you're building.
An iOS app for First Friday.
Cool. So what is the goal of what you're building today, and when will it be done?
The goal is to present data through an app. I'm not sure when it's going to be done.
Oh, you're getting hearts.
We got a real follower.
And this is Jim.
Wow.
Hi, Jim.
Hi.
So Jim is the orchestrator of this event. He's put everything together. He's put together the challenges, what everyone's going to be doing. Oh, you got more hearts.
More hearts, good.
So tell us a little bit about what you and Kershaw are working on.
Kershaw and I are going to be working on the back end. So all these guys you met already are doing the clients, the front ends. And we're going to work on the back end, the database and the business layer, and the data layer and the API itself, so that they can actually get data for their front ends.
Cool. And these guys are going to be doing this all day, folks. All day.
All day.
All day till at least, yeah. All right. Moving on to Kershaw. Kershaw is also working on the back end. Oh, we have a new two more people just joined.
Oh, cool.
So Kershaw is the CEO of Websmith Group. Tell us a little bit about what you're working on.
I've been assigned the database, so I'll be writing stored procedures and finalizing the database structure. Jim is on the business and API that will talk to the database, and I believe Nate, Mark, and Jason are on the front end.
Cool. And we will be checking in with those guys throughout the day. We're hoping you guys will ask questions about how they're going to build this mobile app and what it's going to look like. I'll show you our provisions. As you can see, we have lots of Mountain Dew, ginger ale, Coke Zero, lots of caffeine. In the fridge, Red Bull,